The Blasphemous sequel is not just another well-made Metroidvania. There is something charming, mystical, spiritual in this game. The sacred message that devs carefully hid between the lines of code and game mechanics. The very unique feature that sets this project apart from the others. It is contradictory, but none of those who really immerse themselves in this world remains indifferent. And today we will figure out why. So light up your candles and prepare incense. We start our pilgrimage to find the secrets of Blasphemous 2 game design. As befits to a good sequel, here devs have implemented many minor changes in almost all design elements. New mechanics, wider arsenal of weapons, skills and magic, new techniques in level design, exploration features and so on. But we will talk about all this a bit later. First, let's get straight to the main topic. The essence of this project is the combination of unique setting, accompanied with a stunning visual style, reflecting the features specific to the culture, art and religion of medieval Spain. Well-made pixelated picture creates a unique gaming experience from an aesthetic point of view. The player immersed in a world woven from images of paintings, mythological poems, religious psalms and the stunning architecture of medieval churches. In addition to the fragmentary narration techniques and perfectly fitted musical accompaniment, it creates the atmosphere of lone pilgrimage full of challenges, sacrifices and repentance. Devs were able to enrich art direction of the project with accents peculiar to the Spain culture. For the wide audience, it gives an opportunity to feel the charm and depth of the art legacy of this part of Europe. But it is not actual historic artworks here. Artists and designers were just inspired by this legacy, made their own vision to transfer this art style into the game world. But it was done carefully and with a great attention to details. Perhaps for historians and art critics, this approach may seem primitive, and for the religious people it may even seem blasphemous. Yes, there are many elements and episodes that can shock player. And it is not only about the monsters and creepy NPCs. It is a narrative, although fictional, but directly referring to certain events and characters of the Christian Chronicle. However, this is the distinctive feature of the project. Devs not afraid to fantasize about such complex and delicate topics. Anyone who will look for the intentions to offend the values of faith or culture will certainly find the case. Others will plunge into this world of middle-aged religious aesthetics with a great pleasure. This is not just a regular entertainment project, only for a little bit, but it gives you an opportunity to touch the culture of this era, of this region, of this people. And this is the ultimate art direction goal of Blasphemous 2. This is the very essence of this project. Talking about other elements of game design, it is still the same fast-paced and sometimes challenging action platformer with the Metroidvania elements. Here the Penitent One's arsenal has been expanded, and now each weapon has its own skill tree, as well as unique abilities that unlocks new exploration techniques. Mace hits cause bell ringing, a sword breaks intertwined hands objects, and rapier with dagger allows you to blink through mirrors. Different combinations of these objects and level design creates exciting spatial puzzles that the player needs to speedrun through. And all this creates really spectacular scenes. Well, when it works out. In addition, we got the new idol management system, with the sculptor and all this try to find them all grindy gameplay. System that has two layers, a straight effects from a specific idol and additional bonuses from paired combinations. There are even hidden ones. Also, the system plays one of the key roles in the true ending. But spoiler alert, you're unlikely to get one without the walkthrough guides. And in all this understatement, which certainly adorns the narration, there are a few disadvantages from the gameplay point of view. For example, a bunch of quest items in your inventory with which you have no fragging idea what to do. But these are minor things. Even if we completely neglect the art direction and storyline, Blasphemous 2 will be still a magnificent game. Yes, in many ways a direct hire, or if you want a clone of the legendary Castlevania Symphony of the Night, yet with its own features. There have been not so many such projects lately, and team from the Game Kitchen has done it right. And I'm looking forward for the next projects. I'm pretty sure it will be worth it. Meanwhile, I wanna thank you guys very much for watching. And if you like this video, you know what to do. I'll see you soon. Bye.